25 Secret iPhone Features Apple Never Tells You About, 2026. Have you ever wondered if you're really using your iPhone to its full potential? The truth is, probably not. Hidden inside your iPhone are powerful features that Apple rarely talks about. Some can save you hours every week, some dramatically improve your privacy, and one of them could even help save your life in an emergency. Even if you've owned an iPhone for years, I guarantee you'll discover at least a few features you've never used before. So don't skip ahead, because the final feature is one of the biggest upgrades Apple has introduced in years. Let's get started. The first hidden feature is called Back Tap, and it's almost like giving your iPhone two invisible buttons. Instead of unlocking your phone and searching for an app, simply double tap or triple tap the back of your iPhone to instantly take a screenshot, turn on the flashlight, open the camera, launch Siri, or even run your favorite shortcut. To enable it, go to Settings, Accessibility, Touch, then Back Tap. Once you start using it, you'll probably wonder why Apple doesn't enable it by default. Now here's something that can instantly make your iPhone feel more private. Did you know you can lock individual apps with Face ID? Just press and hold a supported app and choose Require Face ID. The next time someone borrows your phone, they won't be able to open your personal apps without your face. It's one of the easiest ways to protect your privacy without installing any extra software. Speaking of privacy, this next feature is something millions of people completely overlook. Your hidden photos album isn't really hidden unless Face ID protection is enabled. Open the Photos app, move sensitive pictures into the hidden album, then make sure Face ID is protecting it. It's a simple change that keeps private memories truly private. Now let's move to one of my favorite camera tricks. Imagine taking the perfect vacation photo, only to realize a stranger walked right through the background. Instead of deleting the picture, simply open it, tap Edit, then use Cleanup. With Apple's AI, unwanted people or distracting objects disappear in seconds, making your photo look like they were never there. But that's only the beginning of what your camera can do. Your iPhone can actually read text directly from photos. Need to copy a Wi-Fi password? Translate a restaurant menu? Save a phone number from a business card? Just open the image, tap and hold the text, and your iPhone instantly recognizes it. This feature, called Live Text, saves an incredible amount of time. Here's another feature that feels almost like science fiction. Take a picture of a flower, a dog, a famous landmark, or even a meal. Then tap the information icon. Your iPhone can identify what you're looking at using visual lookup, giving you useful information without opening Google. Now let's make typing much easier. If you've ever struggled to place the cursor exactly where you want, stop tapping the screen over and over. Simply press and hold the spacebar until the keyboard transforms into a trackpad. Then, slide your finger to move the cursor with incredible precision. Once you learn this trick, you'll never edit text the old way again. Here's something that can actually help your battery last longer for years. Instead of charging to 100% every single night, newer iPhones let you set a charging limit. Go to Settings, Battery, then Charging, and choose a lower maximum if your device supports it. Keeping your battery away from full charge every day can reduce long-term wear and help preserve battery health. While we're talking about battery, here's another smart trick. Turn on low power mode before your battery becomes critically low. Most people wait until 20%, but activating it earlier during long travel days can easily give you several extra hours of use without noticeably affecting performance. Now let's switch to something almost everyone needs. Have you ever answered a phone call in a noisy street and could barely hear yourself? Enable voice isolation during supported calls, and your iPhone dramatically reduces background noise while keeping your voice crystal clear. It's one of those features you don't appreciate until the first time you really need it. The next feature is perfect for anyone who travels. Download offline maps before leaving home. Even if you completely lose your internet connection, you'll still be able to navigate, search for locations, and find your way. Whether you're traveling overseas or driving through remote areas, this feature can save you from getting completely lost. Now, here's a feature that every family should know. Check-in automatically tells a trusted friend or family member when you've safely arrived at your destination. If something unexpected happens and you stop responding, your chosen contact can receive important information to help check on your safety. It's one of the most underrated features Apple has ever added. And speaking of emergencies, many people still don't realize that compatible iPhones support emergency SOS via satellite. Even without cellular service, you may still be able to contact emergency services in certain regions using satellite communication. It's an incredible example of technology that could truly make a life-saving difference. Let's go back to something a little more fun. Have you ever wanted every photo you take to have the same beautiful style? Instead of editing every picture individually, use photographic styles. You can choose a preferred tone and color profile before taking the picture, giving your entire photo library a more consistent professional appearance. Here's another trick that looks like magic. Touch and hold almost any subject in a photo, a person, your pet, or even an object, and your iPhone automatically lifts it from the background. You can instantly paste it into messages, notes, or social media without downloading any editing apps. Now imagine this. You edit one vacation photo until it looks perfect. Instead of repeating those edits 20 more times, simply copy the edits and paste them onto every other photo from the same trip. It saves time and keeps your pictures looking beautifully consistent. Here's one that productivity lovers will absolutely appreciate. Your iPhone can generate strong passwords, securely save them, and automatically fill them in whenever you sign into apps or websites. That means fewer forgotten passwords and much better security without any extra effort. Now let's talk about something Apple doesn't advertise very often. Safety Check lets you instantly review who has access to your location, photos, calendars, and shared information. If you've ever shared data with someone you no longer trust, this feature allows you to revoke access in just a few taps. Coming up next is one of the coolest hidden features on the entire iPhone: Standby Mode. Simply place your iPhone on a charger in landscape orientation, and it transforms into a beautiful smart display showing clocks, calendars, widgets, weather, reminders, or your favorite photos. Your bedside table suddenly becomes much more useful. But we're not done yet. One of the smartest features built into iOS is background sounds. Whether you prefer rain, ocean waves, white noise, or flowing streams, your iPhone can play relaxing sounds while you work, study, read, or fall asleep. No third-party app required. Here's another hidden productivity trick. Need to measure furniture, a doorway, or even someone's height? Open the Measure app and let your iPhone do the work using augmented reality. It's surprisingly accurate and often saves you from searching for a tape measure. Now we're entering the final stretch, and these last features are my personal favorites. Name Drop makes exchanging contact information almost effortless. Simply hold two compatible iPhones close together and your contact card appears instantly. No typing, no QR codes, no awkward spelling of names. Next is Find My, and it's much more powerful than most people realize. Even if your iPhone is offline, or on supported models and conditions, even after it's powered off, it may still be locatable through Apple's Find My network, thanks to millions of nearby Apple devices working together anonymously. If you've ever lost a phone, you know just how valuable this can be. And finally, the feature Apple is betting its future on: Apple Intelligence. Your iPhone can now help rewrite emails, summarize long documents, organize notifications, improve your writing, create custom images, and assist with everyday tasks using on-device intelligence designed with privacy in mind. This isn't just another software update. It's a major step toward making your iPhone a true intelligent assistant. So, how many of these secret features did you already know? Was it 5, 10, or maybe all 25? Tell me your favorite in the comments below. I read as many comments as I can, and I'd love to know which feature surprised you the most. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new today, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to NTV Technology, and turn on notifications so you never miss future iPhone tips, hidden features, and the latest Apple updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.